So, this is your first jump out of a helicopter, right?
Yes, sir. That is correct.
Alright, well, let me go over the basic steps for you.
Sure thing.
So once you're up on the helicopter, you're gonna get onto the side that we call the ledge.
I'm familiar with ledges.
Now once you're up on the ledge, you're gonna do the following. You're gonna squat,
Squat,
pray,
pray,
leap,
leap,
ah. Well, that's what you're gonna yell on the way down.
ah,
Ah.
ah.
Ah, yeah. And then touchdown.
Touchdown, okay.
Yep, that's SPLAT.
That spells splat.
Ah, god damn it. Well, I'ma get you a flight suit.
Hey, Green, what are you doing here?
Oh hey Cyan. I'm just jumping out of a helicopter.
But Carrie said you weren't allowed to jump out of a helicopter.
So what? You're gonna tell on me?
No?
Alright, then I'm jumping.
Green, please don't. Because if you jump then you get injured, it'll be my fault. Please don't do it, Green.
Fine. I won't jump.
Good, now let's go bowling, Green.
Oh, I'm not leaving. Carrie said I can't jump out of a helicopter, but he didn't say I can't ride in one.
Alright, let's do this.
Well, later Cyan.
Green, I really don't think you should go up in that helicopter.
You can come too.
Let it go!